students right here at Jane Addams that have diabetes. These students can do everything that you can do, no problem. So I'm going to bring Colin up. Everybody know Colin? I think his class is in here today. So let's bring a warm welcome for Colin. So I'm going to ask Colin a couple of questions, and then you guys are going to be able to ask Colin some questions. So Colin, how old are you now, and what grade are you in?
I'm in 3rd grade and I'm almost 9.
He has a birthday coming up next month, he told me earlier. How old were you when you were diagnosed with diabetes?
I was 18 months old, so that means I have had diabetes for 7.5 years.
What do you typically have to do every day before you eat breakfast, lunch, dinner, or even a snack?
Well, like I said in the video, I have to check my blood glucose with a needle, and then if I'm high, I have to have insulin put into my body, and if I'm low, I have to have carbohydrates.
How many times do you have to do that a day, do you think?
About 8 to 10 times.
And what happens if your blood sugar gets too low?
I get sweaty, shaky, weak, and I get faint.
And what happens if it gets too high?
I get thirsty and I get really sick.
And is there anything else that you want to share about diabetes? I think you had a story maybe that you wanted to share.
I was at a friend's house jumping on a big trampoline. So I felt weird. So I went inside and told the parents I felt low. I checked my blood glucose. I was 32, so I was about to faint. So if I kept jumping on that trampoline, that it would have been really bad if I fainted. But I bet the friend that was there would have ran in and told the mom. So sometimes I just have to watch how I feel and my blood sugar.
Great. Does anybody have any questions for me or Colin? How about you right here in the blue shirt?
Just how did your blood sugar get low from jumping out of the trampoline? Did you use too much energy?
Oh yeah. Sometimes if I get too sometimes if I exercise so much and get too much energy, then I just drop.
How about you right here in the pink? The question was Colin born with it?
Yes, I was born with it.
Anybody else have a question? How about you?
Yeah, sometimes it can be hard because sometimes you just have to stop doing fun stuff and you have to pause and have to check my blood sugar.
How about you in a blue long sleeve shirt?
How often does everyone feel like they need to prick your finger?
How often does
The question was, how many times does Colin have to prick his finger a day?
8 to 10 times.
It's right here.
Okay, how about you in the green and white t-shirt right there? Yeah? You guys, I can't hear him. Does it affect your bones?
No, diabetes does not affect my bones.
How about you in the green tie-dye shirt? The question was, does it hurt when you prick your finger?
When I got it, it did, but now I'm used to it, so.
How about you in the yellow shirt?
Michael. I'm gonna buy it on stream.
How do you know when to prick your finger?
Well, I know when to prick my finger. I prick it before breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and also when I feel high or low.
Okay, we have time for just about 2 more questions. How about you in the gray and the purple? Oh no, the girl right here, in the gray and purple? Yep. Can you repeat it one more time?
She's asking about your diabetes and your pregnant. If it goes away, if diabetes.
Does diabetes go away when somebody is pregnant? For the baby or the person that's pregnant?
For the person who's pregnant.
No, diabetes never goes away. That's why we're here today, to try and make it go away. All right, we have time for 1 more question. Oh, I'm gonna let Colin pick. He wants to pick. The same shirt that Colin has on. Somebody has the same shirt Colin has on. And that's who he's picking. Oh, right here. Sorry, I missed you. The question for Colin is, what happens when you take off the pump?
Well, sometimes I can't keep it off too long, or something could happen, but usually it's okay to take it off. Nothing will probably happen.
Great, you guys all had some great questions, and thank you, Colin, for being so brave and talking in front of everybody. You did a great job. Oh, he has one more thing to say.
And if we raise up to $1,000, the principal and vice principal will dye their hair blue.
Did you hear what he just said? He said, if we reach our goal, we can hit the next slide, because this goes into now we've learned about what this is, and what are we going to do as a Jane Addams community, family in here, to make a difference. At Jane Addams, we're going to be participating in a walk, and you're all going to get this information today to go home to your parents. And what you heard Colin say, or maybe you missed it, was that if our school raises $1,000, it won't be this pretend blue, it'll be real blue. And Mr. Kuchenmeyer said he's going to dye his hair blue too. On the top. Maybe we'll do his mustache. Let's see. His beard.